Thought I was bullshitting. Let's go. Hey, got it going, man. Rice in that motherfucker. With the black beans cooking in that motherfucker. Hold on. Yeah. There y'all go. JP is the realest, bro.
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
That boy literally woke up early and cooked for us.
It's Sunday, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, we got the
I know the homeboys are hungry. You know what I'm saying? We ain't slept much because we were working on this thing.
Yep, they did that. They really did that.
And then, but I was like, look, let me whip up something. You know what I'm saying? So we got some chicken. You know what I'm saying? We got some rice. We got some black beans.
That boy even got his sauce,
hey,
bro.
I brought the sauce. You know,
Tell me
you gotta have the Valentina, Bobby. And you have the tapatio. You know what I'm saying? And you got avocado. And got a little bit of lime. You know what I'm saying?
That's Poppy.
Hey, you know, some tortillas.
That's grub, man. I'm hungry. I'm about to eat now.
Hey, do your thing.
And then we're gonna get started.
And
all right, so today's mission, we gotta try and get the rest of the clutch fan out because it don't fit ever since I went with the CD trans. For whatever reason, it touches the radiator. And I got this big radiator with some fans. Not the greatest fans, but we're just trying to get it in and get it going for now. And of course, my dogs is helping.
Bro,
again.
it's wild. What's up, bro?
Just saying how my dogs are so awesome.
I know.
Hey, man, it's Sunday. You know what I'm saying? We're here. JP Vlogs is here, as always. I can't really pump out the videos that I really want to because, like, I'm always helping Camel, but, you know.
Yeah, and like,
what are friends
here.
for?
My defense is like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I compete, like, just like Camel, but, like, here I am being a competitor and, like, I'm helping, like, basically, like,
your competition.
Like
You're helping your.
out. I'm helping my competition out, but like the thing is, my car's so reliable, it don't even need to be worked on.
Well,
That's
because
facts.
I've been crew
That's
chiefing
facts.
that thing since what?
Bro, at least 06.
06?
Yeah. Because I put it on pre-order at 05. Remember? Because that's an 07. It's an
Yep,
07.
that's when the HR came out and you was like, boom, I'm getting that.
Yeah.
You knew it was going to be the best, and then we did that.
Bro.
And it's been peachy ever since.
Bro,
ever
original
since.
motor and trans.
All we did was weld the diff
That's all.
and FDF.
And we cut the springs.
Yeah, cut the
That's
springs,
it.
yep.
Yeah.
Yep. No,
But-
no
Cut springs is key.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is,
So
bro.
just don't swap your engine.
Yeah.
All right, so the other thing I got to do today, this mess, I'm gonna have to cut my bracket, flip it, and weld it so it clears the shifter. Tighten up my ECU, bolt it back down, and bleed the brakes. And after all that, we might be able to go on a test drive with it. So we'll see.
Use that oil.
Too much racks in my pocket that my wallet can't fold. I got bad.
Yeah. Hey, my dog taking up on another boat. So I just put it in the car. I'm gonna weld the top in, pull it back out. That way we got a template, and then finish welding it up.
Hey, he keeps his eyes open too.
That'll work. It ain't perfect, but it'll be enough for me.
Good enough from the handbrakes.
It's like a
You try to blind me. Oh, dude, fuck you. Hold on, dude. You're an asshole. You have fucking glasses on.
I don't even know if the hood's gonna fit with that big ass
We
radiator.
gonna make it fit.
It's a big boy.
We gonna make it fit. Would it even fit? Try to close the hood.
I don't run no hood. I don't give a shit.
I mean, you may have to. Yeah. 88 was a crazy year, dog.
1988.
Yeah.
You got Camel doing backies in the toga.
Yeah.
In Japan.
No guardrail.
Where was the best time of our life
Hey,
in the
that was
military,
stock
bro.
angle too, bro. K-A-N-A.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That shit was
Bro, I hope
crazy,
y'all getting this on video, man.
real.
Y'all
Yeah.
gonna learn.
God, damn, that'd be hot as hell.
Got it, man.
Clearly. Fucking pliers it. Yeah, Crazy Customs, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Crazy Camel Customs.
Pull that thing off, man.
Man, fuck.
Whoa! Get it, man.
Hey. Fuck.
There you go. I seen when you went to the car and you was crying.
Yeah, bro. Hey, Chris. Chris.
All right, so handbrake back in, and it clears my shifter. Now we just gotta bleed it. They got the radiator, and
Camel's
they're looking
black as
good.
shit.
I got some
What's up?
crusty fans, but it's gonna work right now. Hold on, take a step back for a second. Let's take a look. Let's take a look, man. I remember back in '88 when I put my first radiator in.
Hey, that's when they first came out with
We had,
radiators. Yeah.
you know, we ain't had none of these 4-inch aluminum cores and shit. Alright, I disconnected the fans just to make sure the thermostat opens up and it's dropping back down. I got it to 190, it's dropping down pretty good. Fans working pretty good. They're over here making custom brackets. This radiator is a little bit too big for this car, but we're gonna send it. Have very little clearance.
Hey, it works though.
Alright, test drive went pretty good. However, she's breaking up. I'm gonna try to run by Lee's real quick, see if you can check it out. I'm pretty sure it's my coil packs. They've been going bad on and off. I've been swapping some of them out. I just need to man up and buy some, but it's also been sitting, got old E, so I just like to make sure. So I might go ahead and run over there real quick.
That shit was fun. His car was fast. That car was fast.
God.
His car was fast as shit in that little corner, bro.
And he's shaking his head. Something's already wrong.
Bro, it's misfire, bro. What happened? What? Yeah. He's losing weight. Hey, turn my AC on. Need to cool the core down.
All right, so I dropped by Lee's real quick. He went ahead and adjusted a couple things, and she feels really good. So shout out Lee at Monster Performance. He's the one that did my tune and a couple things on my car originally. So very happy. Now I just gotta do a couple more things and get it going. But I got call out to work, so I gotta ride and I'll be back. Maybe do a couple things tonight. I don't know yet. We'll see.
Got it. Train.
Man, that boy at JP at it again.
All day, bro.
Morning and night. You don't stop, huh?
I don't stop, bro.
Man, where the chicken go, bro?
I'll put it in the car.
Yeah, that boy already cooked the chicken too. Look at this, man. Who made this guy?